The Hispanic Education Conference at Modesto is an annual event that we have for the entire community. Our main purpose is to enrich and empower every individual that takes part of this conference to pursue a higher education and think about what they can do to give back to their community and what they can accomplish for themselves as well.
My favorite part about the education conference this year was the DJ. It was very fun. Plus we had like Hispanic dances.
They have a band, so it was so nice to see how they were dancing and all that. I don't dance, but it was good to see that. So I think for our community it's difficult sometimes. In my case, I struggle a lot with the studies, so it's good for young students to come and have this opportunity to get informed how it's going to be college for them.
Ask yourself, what kind of adult, what kind of human being do you want to be, and how do you want to show up in the world?
One of our favorite features is the multiple workshops that we have. We have over 30 workshop presenters, people from all over the county and even from all over the state that have come here to give back of their expertise from different topics in the education field and also in the private sector. One of the most popular workshops that we have every year is the allied health or the nursing workshops. Here at MJC, that's one of our more popular majors that we have. Another key feature that we had this year was we had our congressmen show up and host a workshop. So a lot of students came in and they had a lot of questions, and he was happy to answer basically all of them.
Oh, es todo el ambiente, la vibra que se siente ese día, cómo podemos ayudar a todos nuestros jóvenes en el área, acerca de aquí de Modesto y sus alrededores, y cómo pueden ellos obtener información acerca de cómo venir al colegio.
You should come to this event because it's going to give you a lot of information regarding the college. Also, it's very fun for you to join us.